how to use Chick-fil-A gift card on DoorDash. Now, if you have a Chick-fil-A gift card and you've been wondering how you can use them on DoorDash, first of all, let us explore the options that are available on DoorDash. If I go to DoorDash.com through my website or if I open the DoorDash app, first of all, I would navigate to the account section from the bottom left, and from here, I would go to the option called Payment right here. Now, once you go to this little payment option, Chick-fil-A gift cards cannot be redeemed. So if you scroll down here, you can see have a gift card redeem now. This is only exclusively to DoorDash gift card. Now, if your Chick-fil-A gift card was a Visa gift card, then things would be different. Now, Chick-fil-A gift card is not also a Visa gift card. Otherwise, you would be able to add it from this credit or debit card section as a normal payment method and be able to redeem that gift card. So the only place where your Chick-fil-A gift card is accepted is through their own platform via the Chick-fil-A website or the Chick-fil-A app. I hope that this video helped you understand. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.